I'm going to select my data one more time and go into Insert, and I'm going to choose Column, and I could choose another type of data, another type of chart if I want. Notice I have line charts here. I have pie charts. I can also choose bar charts. Now, to see all the charts that are available, I'm going to click this More Options button, and this gives me all of the possible charts that are available. If you're not sure what to do with a chart like a surface chart or a donut chart or bubble chart or radar, those are a little bit different than the common types of charts. There's a very good help file in Excel that just is labeled chart types. If you just do a search in help on chart types, it goes through each of the types of charts and how you might use them and gives examples of them. A radar chart, for example, has very, very specific uses, as does a bubble chart. A donut chart is similar to a pie chart and can be used in that way, but shows data differently than the actual components of a pie. A stock chart is used to look at stock data, so stock market data that you would use there. And then you have your standard column and line, pie, and bar charts. So depending, again, on what your data is, how you choose to represent it, what you want to see, you can choose the different types. Notice here we have columns, and we also have stacked columns. Remember, stacked columns and stacked bars show cumulative data. So if you were wanting to show what the sales for January, February, March, and April were stacking on top of each other, you could choose one of these stacked bars. And then you go into the 3D clustered columns and so forth that give you different ways to look at your data, different ways to see it on the page. And remember, you've got to be careful that you're not hiding data if you use one of these clustered arrangements, because sometimes it will hide data that you're looking at.